me trying to straighten out my hair, and it was an epic fail. But it's okay. I just wore my hair big all weekend, and everyone loved it. Hey KLM fam, it's your girl Kiki, and we are back with another amazing video. This time we are doing a vlog out with the family for Mother's Day. Our family always get together with all the women. We are actually at Cheesecake Factory. This is all of my family who's out. It is Nene from KLM Fam, Auntie Gloria, K-Bay, aka Michaela, Big Cuz Stephanie, Big Cuz Carla, lovely Madre, Big Sis Shay, and Leah from KLM Fam. And last but least, baby boy DJ. DJ, come on. I went to a Chinese restaurant to buy a loaf of bread. He asked me what my name was, and this is what I said. My name is M-I-L-I-C-Y. Yes, ma'am. DJ, hey, Stinky. I guess he told me to zip it. Hey, Stinky. Say hey, KLM Fam. Hey, KLM Fam. Say hey, KLM Fam. Say hey, KLM Fam. Say we will be back when we get our food. You guys for watching today's amazing video. We did not close off the video yesterday, but we had a very eventful weekend for Mother's Day, and I really enjoyed myself, and hopefully you guys did too. If you like, comment down below some places you went for Mother's Day, and please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because KLM family loves you guys. Peace. We're out.